Find Pigtails Smart app is amazing to finding what you need quickly. Let's go to the smart search bar here, and I'm going to type in how to repair. Just typing that in will populate an assortment of repair videos and blog posts to do just that. We're going to click on L42B2, and as I scroll down, you can see that there's an accompanying blog post and a repair video. From within the app itself, hit play, and you can actually watch the repair video in real time through the app. What we're going to watch really quickly is a D-pin repin on Pigtail L42B2 to 2-pin connector, and we're just watching it through the app. So even if you're in the field or looking at a vehicle and not at your desk, you can still have access to this smart search bar, and it will provide you with all the information you need regarding anything connectors.